nights moving slow, I still hear your voice everywhere I go. Midnight driving through the empty streets, your favorite song still playing next to me. Phone screen glowing but it's never you. Funny how silence sounds just like the truth. Everybody says that time will heal, but these nights still don't feel real. I keep talking to the air again, like somehow you're listening. And I know you're probably happier now, but I still see your shadow in every crowd. Rain on the dashboard, tears I never show, your name in the neon, every road I know. I keep driving circles, trying to let you go, but the night gets colder when I'm alone. Rain on the dashboard, still can't make it home. Coffee cups and faded Polaroids, little things I thought I'd still avoid. Now your jacket's hanging by the door, like you might come back once more. I've been staying up till 3 a.m., reading all our texts again. Everybody moves on eventually, guess it's harder for me. Rain on the dashboard, tears I never show, your name in the neon, every road I know. I keep driving circles, trying to let you go, but the night gets colder when I'm alone. Rain on the dashboard, still can't make it home. Maybe some people only exist for a season. Maybe goodbye never really needs a reason. But if you ever miss me like I miss you tonight, just know I'm still driving under the same city lights. Rain on the dashboard, memories won't fade. Your voice in the static, calling through the rain. I keep chasing moments that we couldn't save. Now I'm just a stranger, haunted by your name. Rain on the dashboard, nothing feels the same. Rain on the dashboard, city lights blur slow. Some nights I still wonder if you ever